Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to integrate Wix with Apple Pay in 2026. Apple Pay makes checkout faster and increase conversions, especially on mobile. In today's video, I'll show you how to integrate Wix with the Apple Pay in 2026 step by step. Now, these steps we're gonna do are in mobile, so you can access the Apple Pay or you can use it even in your desktop. The first thing you want to do is to check the requirements. Before enabling Apple Pay, you must have used Wix Payments, and your business country must support Apple Pay. You need an Apple Developer ID also. The second thing is to open the payment settings. You're going to go to your Wix dashboard right here, and then you're going to go to Settings or Settings. Click on the Settings in the left sidebar, just like this. And here, you're going to click on Accept Payments. Now from here, you're going to click on Accept Payments and select Wix Payments. After that, you're going to click on See More Payment Options. And here, you're going to look for the and enable the Apple Pay. You're going to scroll to Apple Pay and toggle it on and complete the Apple verification if required. As you can see here, you're going to click here if you can't find your Apple here, and you can discuss with AI and look for the Apple Pay options. After you toggle it on, you're going to complete the Apple verification if required, and you're going to test the Apple Pay. Now you can use a compatible Apple device, and also make sure to add the product to carts. Confirm Apple Pay appears at checkout. Now Apple Pay works best on iOS and Safari and clearly show Apple Pay badges. So test in live mode and not preview. And this was it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. So that's how you integrate Wix with Apple Pay in 2026 and speed up your checkout process. And see you again in the next tutorial.